Hello guys, welcome to RS Code Labs. Today we are discussing about Java strings and its methods. First, let us understand the definition of string. String is a collection of or group of characters that can be stored in a specific order. String is a non-primitive data type. String can be a literal or object in Java. String literal is nothing but anything which were written in double quotes is known as string literal. And strings are represented as objects of the string class. That is nothing but strings. In Java, strings are created using the string class, which provides many useful features to work with text. And they are widely used to storing and manipulating the text. That is nothing but strings are commonly used to store words, sentences, and other type of text data. String objects are immutable. Yes, in Java, strings are immutable. Once the string object is created, its value cannot be changed. In Java, strings are creating two ways, using string literal and using the new keyword. Using string literal, we are assigning literal to the variable. In using the new keyword, we are creating an object for a string class and pass the value to it. What is the string pool in Java? The string pool is also known as string constant pool. It is a special part of the heap memory where Java stores string literal to save memory and also it improves the efficiency. Let us see how it works. When a string literal is created, Java checks if it already exists in the string pool. That means whenever we declare a string directly, first it will check the string literal is present or not. If the string literal is present, that means if it exists inside the string constant pool, instead of creating a new object, it will copy the existing reference. If the string literal is not present inside a string constant pool, that means if it does not exist, then only it will create a new object. Okay. Example for string constant pool behavior. Here we are assigning literal to the variable s1 and here we are assigning literal to the variable s2. Here these two literals can be stored in string constant pool. We are in this string s3 equals to new string of, we are passing the literal. That means we are creating an object for the string class and pass the value to it. Here it creates an object in heap memory. Here we are writing two printing statements, s1 and s2 s1 double equals to s2 and then s1 is s1 double equals to s3. Here double equals to is used to comparing the references of an object. S1 and S2 references are same. That's the reason the output is true. Here S1 and S3 memory locations are different. That's the reason the output is false. Why we use the string pool? Why? Because it saves the memory by reusing the string objects and also it improves the performance or speed by avoiding the duplicates. Before going to discuss about StringBuffer and StringBuilder, we are discuss about characteristics of string class. In Java, string is immutable in nature. Whenever we are trying to modifying the existing string literal, it will create a new object instead of modifying the existing object. To avoid this disadvantage of strings, we are going for StringBuffer and StringBuilder. Here, StringBuffer and StringBuilder are mutable. StringBuffer is mutable. It can be changed without creating a new object and it is thread safe. That means it is safe for multiple threads, allowing them to modify without issues. It is slower compared to StringBuilder because of synchronization. Example for StringBuffer. We are creating an object for StringBuffer with the initial value as hello and appending the val to the same StringBuffer object. Here it prints the hello world, updated value as hello world. Now we will discuss about StringBuilder. StringBuilder. It is mutable and faster. StringBuilder is similar to StringBuffer, but it is not synchronized and it is not thread safe. And it is faster than StringBuffer for single thread operations. And we prefer when the working with string is not multiple environments. That means best for single threaded programs where multiple threads are not modified the string. Example for StringBuilder. Here we are creating an object for StringBuilder with the initial value as hello and we are appending the val to the same buffer object. Here it prints the updated value as hello world.